Guys, I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways that you can use to get 1,000 subscribers quickly, and I mean instantly. Yes, you are going to get these subscribers within days if you follow the things that I'm going to tell you to do in this video. It depends on you. Some people, they will tell you do this and you will not do it. So this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. If you want to get that 1,000 subscribers so that you can get monetized, start earning that money on YouTube, then these are the things that you are going to do. Number one, you have to apply shorts. Most people don't like posting shorts. Most people don't like to use shorts. I don't know why, but you are supposed to upload shorts. Shorts are going to help you get subscribers. I don't know why, but there is a magic around shorts that people tend to subscribe more when it comes to shorts. Yes, I have a channel. It's a fashion channel that I am running, but on this channel, actually, it's like more of a faceless channel because I use it for affiliate marketing. So I use it like to sell things from Amazon, and mostly it's women fashion. So I use it to sell like clothes from Amazon. Then I put on this channel and I put links there so that people can go there and buy. It's like I'm driving traffic from that channel. And the way I grew this channel first, actually it was using shorts. When I started this channel, I tried posting long content videos for 2 times, and those long content videos, first I didn't get views, and secondly nobody subscribed. Yes, nobody subscribed. So what I did, like in my mind, I was like, let me try shorts. So I took like some time not posting any long form content. I was like, I started pushing out shorts, just pushing out shorts, pushing out shorts. Yes, pushing out shorts. So when I pushed out shorts, it was like a few days before, I'd already reached 500 subscribers. Then from nowhere, I'd already reached 1,000 subscribers. And when I'd reached 1,000 subscribers, then I changed my strategy so that I can get the 4,000 watch hours quickly. And that will be something that I'll tell you another video of how to get 4,000 watch hours. So those shorts helped me to grow this channel of fashion and on YouTube. And that channel is helping me make money from even Amazon too. So you can put shorts, upload shorts. You can upload shorts that you've created by yourself. Be like, I'm going to create shorts. And another thing about shorts, a lot of platforms are using shorts, and you can drive traffic from those platforms. Like TikTok, you can create one short for YouTube, upload it on TikTok, upload it on Instagram, upload it on Facebook Reels. So see how you are using this to drive traffic. Actually, I've seen some YouTubers that they started on TikTok with like these shorts, and people, because they have known them on TikTok and they are trusting them, now they have come back to YouTube to follow them. So you can use that strategy. You are using it to grow your YouTube and to also grow your other social media platforms, like growing your brand that way. Using shorts is a game changer. As I've told you, it's a game changer. Actually, I've grown 2 channels using shorts, and I've reached the 1,000 subscribers and even more. One of other channels even around 4K subscribers, but in the beginning I started using shorts. Then another way that you are going to grow your channel to get that 1,000 subscribers quick is consistency. As I told you, in those channels I would upload the shorts, like 3 shorts a day. Sometimes if I have too much time, I would upload even more. I uploaded those consistently, those shorts, like in a month, and I reached that goal that I've told you. So just be consistent. Don't be like, I'll just sit there and things will happen magically. No, just go there and do the thing. Just be consistent. And on this channel I'm recording this video, the reason I haven't been growing like I've been growing on other channels, like the other channels, I put in my all effort, I was consistent, pushing in, and here on this channel I wasn't consistent. So I'm urging you to be consistent. Make it a goal, like before December, I'm going to be posting and uploading daily. Let's start that challenge so that you can also get monetized before that. Yes, upload consistently. Then the other thing I'm going to talk about, give out value. Don't just go there, upload anything that doesn't add value to somebody. Actually, the reason why, I don't know why, the reason why you started this YouTube channel, but should be that you want to help others to solve a problem. maybe some people want to make money online and you've gotten some knowledge about it, then you'll be creating videos about that and be consistent, creating them, showing them this money making app, showing them this, showing them that. Yes, just create value, something that is going to add on a person's life. That's why we are here. All of us, we want to change somebody's life. Also, even though money is the end goal, but just create value so that you can change somebody's life. Yes, that's all that I can say. If you do those few things that I've told you, you are going to get those subscribers quickly, and you come here and testify. Yes, you come here and testify and say, I did this so and so that you told me in the other video, and I have reached my 1,000 subscribers quickly. Just give it a try. Just go guys there and give it a try and be like, just make it yourself. Say, I'm going to be creating these shorts consistently. And another way, if you are like, if I create my shorts, people don't like it, what, there is another way that you can be going like YouTube allows people, if you can make a video, if you can take another person's video, compliment on it. So if you can go on those social medias like Instagram, yes, I'm just giving you a bonus tip. You want, you can take it, or you can go with the other ones that I've talked about. You can go on places like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Then you see those videos that have done well, that are viral. Yes, those videos that are viral. What I would advise you is that you see something which is viral, don't just go copy the whole thing like this, take and put it on YouTube. No. No, I mean, try to add something. Try to be creative and add something your own. Maybe like you saw a viral cooking video. There are like some websites you can go pick like some free content like Pixabay. There are Pixabay, Pixels. There are so many other websites where you can get free videos, so that you can mix up with that viral video you've picked on those viral social media platforms, so that you don't get into copyright problem, because YouTube allows, if you are doing a video and you are commenting on it, YouTube allows that. So you can create like a small video, or pick a video from those websites that I've told you, you add it with this viral video, then you add them together and you come up with something that is your own idea, and this is going to help your video channel grow. Because remember, this video is already viral, but what you do, I've added mixing in something like, when you are cooking that rice, and you add in some spice that will change and give it like your own look, like your new recipe. So you add in that something and you make a new video. Or you can go on other free websites like Canva. There are AIs nowadays. You tell AI, you describe the video the way it was on that social media platform where you picked it from. Describe it and ask it to regenerate it for you. Yes, so that you can add that clip on that viral video. And then that's going to help you to get views. Don't just sit there. Wake up, create content, upload those shorts. Try that viral videos that I've told you when you mix in something, and you are going to see that you are going to get 1,000 subscribers quickly. I mean quickly, and you'll come here and testify. So you just comment in the comment section below where you're watching from. Don't forget to comment so that I can know where you're watching from, and I can create videos which can help you even in that place where you are. And don't forget to share this video if it has been on value, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's grow together. Stay blessed.